not updated yet. Over. Roger.
The main function of Coast Guard Station Cooley River is a search and rescue station. It's one of 20 surf stations in the U.S. Coast Guard. Station Cooley River is the northernmost on the west coast. So when you watch our boats inside the surf zone, what we're practicing is remaining proficient at primarily keeping our bow square to the breaks that are coming in. The skill that is acquired operating in the surf is one of timing, precision. We have to be prepared to cross bars that are breaking and are rough. What we do have to do is cross the La Push bar to get out to somebody who may be in distress. So we need to be proficient in general at just managing tumultuous seas and getting across rough, hazardous bars.
Yeah, just hoping this isn't a crazy lull. I know we have a big cleanup series that comes in within 21 seconds.
Operating on the ocean is scary because you can't control the weather. And there was a case that I had at Station Cape Disappointment in which a charter vessel went out. They struck some rocks and a buoy on the way out, lost propulsion, and started to drift into Peacock Spit. Myself and the crew were able to get a hold of them and safely rescued them, but they were perilously close to getting inside the surf at Peacock Spit, and in the process of taking that boat into tow, the tow actually broke twice, and we had to drift out to the ocean in the current just so it wouldn't break a third time until the sun came up. Operating in the surf, in or near the surf at nighttime was definitely scary.